Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. How are you guys? I hope you are doing well. First of all, I request to all of you, please like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel and also hit the bell icon for more updates. So let's start the video. Today's topic is what is negotiable instrument and what are the kinds of negotiable instruments. A negotiable instrument is written document guaranteeing the payment of a specific amount of money either on demand or at a set time. It can be transferred from one person to another, making the transferee entitled to receive the payment. These instruments facilitate smooth business transactions without cash. 15 kinds of negotiable instruments. Number first is promissory note. A written promise by one party maker to pay certain sum of to another pay, either on demand or at a fixed future date. It includes terms like amount, date, and pay name, used often in loans or credit transactions. Bill of exchange. An order from one party directing another to a fixed sum of to a third party, common in international trade to ensure payment after goods are shipped. It involves three parties and is transferable. Number third is check. A specific type of bill of exchange drawn on a bank instructing the bank to pay the bearer or a specific person. It's payable on demand and widely used for everyday banking transactions. Must be signed by the drawer. Number fourth is bearer instrument. An instrument payable to whoever holds it. It requires no endorsement to transfer, making it highly negotiable but risky if lost or stolen. Common examples include bearer checks or bearer bonds. Order instrument, an instrument payable to a specific person or their order. It requires endorsement for transfer, adding security and transferability in transactions. Promissory notes and checks can be order instruments. Number 6 is demand instrument payable immediately upon presentation to a maker or drawee. Checks are typical demand instruments enabling quick access to funds, no waiting period involved. Number 7 is time instruments payable at a specific future date or after certain period from the date of issue or demand. Promissory note often fall under this category, allowing deferred payments. Clean bill, a bill of exchange presented without accompanying documents like goods or shipper papers, usually accepted based on trust or creditworthiness between parties, common in routine transactions. Number 9 is documentary bill, a bill accompanied by document that ensure payment is made only upon delivery of goods, often used in international trade for security. Number 10 is inland bill. A bill of exchange drawn and payable within the same country. It does not involve foreign exchange risk and is simpler to handle than foreign bills. Number 11 is foreign bill drawn in one country but payable in another, involving exchange rates and international trade risk. Requires acceptance by the drawee before payment. Number 12 is check on demand. A check payable as soon as it is presented to the bank. The most common type of checks used in daily banking, ensuring immediate payment. Number 13 is cross check. A check with two parallel lines on the face, instructing the bank to pay only into a bank account adds by preventing cash payment. Number 14th is bearer check. A check payable to the bearer holder, allowing whoever possesses it to claim money easily transferable but risky if lost or stolen. Order check payable to a specified person to their order, requiring endorsement to transfer rights, provides more security than bearer check. So guys, if you have any question about the topic, ask me in comment section. See you in the next video. Stay tuned for the next lecture. Goodbye.